What is that sound I hear? Is that a marching band or a drum line ushering in the morning? Yeah, wake up. Yesterday may have rolled in with 50 shades of gray, left you moody, muted, caught between sighs and silence. But you know what? Today has stepped in with a bust. All the beautiful colors rising like a sunrise in full procession, brightening you, lifting you, pulling a smile from the deep places with holy radiance. All the colors of the covenant, His promises, beating like sticks on a snare, opening the floodgates of serotonin, oxytocin, and every armed messenger of joy, assigned to secure you through this day and beyond. Because the joy of the Lord is your strength, and this God, your God, is too faithful to fail. So come along and march. Let's move to the rhythm of grace. It's a Monday morning. It's high.